wasn't expecting this landslide in Shoja, so don't come in rains. Here I'm right in front of a temple, and from here starts this way to the trek. Sir Lake. Over there are some human beings doing human activity. See, the fog is literally falling on the lake. It covers basically, last time also it covered the whole lake. This was the scariest part for me because I couldn't hear any human sounds. Little one hiding over here. See, I'm gonna enjoy my strawberry lit tour. The route is really very scenic. Jibi Jalori Pass trek with beautiful nature. Good morning, bonjour to all dear humans. मैं जा रही हूँ ब्रेकफास्ट खान, मैं लंगड़ा के चल रही हूँ. Yesterday I ate over here. रात को मैंने इधर खाया. And now I'm going somewhere else. I've eaten over there before. So in Soja you will get nice food, whatever you want that you will get over here. There is certainly one thekka as well, the liquor shop, so you will get some as well. So it's a very nice teeny weeny village and full of greenery. The roads are really very narrow, so you should be a very highly skilled person to drive your vehicle, even if it is a bike. See, yeah, that is all you can see. So let's go do breakfast. I forgot to tell you one thing that you can guess. You can get buses over here as well. Abhi 9:30 hai. Oh, no, 9:45. Till now there is no bus. अभी तक कोई बस नहीं है. पार्किंग की प्रॉब्लम है. That is the thing. This is my food. You will get simple fancy place like this to sit inside, and outside also the men are sitting over there and they are eating water tanks. So I was thinking that I am going to eat my food and then I am going to walk a little and then I'm going to do some adventure today to pass my day, and then tomorrow, I do not know about tomorrow. First of all, I finish my food and then I will let you know what I am going to do next few seconds. Here I am right in front of a temple, and from here starts this way to the trek. HP Forestry Department, Sir Lake, 5 kilometers. So I'm going to start this trek. 2.5 hours long trek, and they have destroyed everything that existed over here. The food stalls and everything. Here it is, me, beautiful me, the one who is going to start this trek at 11 a.m. and I think I will reach over there at 1:30 p.m. something like that. I should be back by 5 p.m. after doing all of this. No food stalls, I had my own water. Now I'm going to start. 1, 2, 3, start. Oh, they have made it. It's ready, the residence over here. Chalo, that is good for the people who want to come over here and stay. The road is something like this and it's gonna get worse after some time. Pure silence, and this is the month of August. It's rainy season. For the moment I haven't seen anybody over here. Over here they have some place where people used to park their cars, but it's a no parking zone. From here you get down this way, and there you see some residents. I see some cows and some places for huts and all that stuff. Now I will move forward from here exactly, almost after 200 and 300 meters I guess. Basically the Jalori Pass is going to get started. The pass is going to get narrow, stony. Since it's a rainy season, so there could be something muddy too. There's beautiful vegetation down there and heart is beating like hell. And today I look very ravishing. I am very happy with my face. I look beautiful. I am handsome. I am amazing. Oh my goodness, the trees and the beauty. The greenery, the calm. Oh my god, not the calm Bashna, it's the calm CLM. First you can do Jalori Pass. It's very easy one, it's straight walk, some bit of stones and all that stuff. Somewhere you will find a little bit of trek, hard trek. It's not that difficult. Then you can go for Triumph trek. Oh, there's a teeny weeny water coming from some. I'll show you. It's here. Yay! So you have natural water resources over here because there were no food stalls at the beginning near the temple. So yeah, I'm finding no people, just super calm. कोई नहीं है इधर, खाने पीने की शॉप्स भी नहीं है. पानी के लिए you can take it from here and keep walking. जब अकेला हो, खाली हो, तब आओ. Something has changed behind me, and that is while walking approximately 1 kilometer and 700 meters, which is 1.5 kilometer plus, I see dense fog. So weather changes over here. It shouldn't be just raining. That's all I like. Nice, calm, no people, nature, whispering of some insects which I really don't understand what are they trying to say. I'm feeling enjoying it. आप आ सकते हो, इस पास को करना easy है. Oh, these are something different. These are edible. You can eat these fellows. Oh, they look cute. Super beautiful. One should only come in monsoon. I'm coming over here for the second time, and you can see amazing flowers, amazing types of mushrooms. Till now I have seen 4th category of mushrooms. These are edible ones. Previous 3 were not edible ones, and oh, they're amazing. I'm loving it. There's so fog. This time I feel like the pass is really very easy to do. Maybe because I have done it before, or maybe this time government has put some boards where I can, see how many kilometers I have done or not. Loving it. Finally, I have seen 2-3 people, and this is the mighty job of thunder. That is the fallen tree. Lately, some 200 meters back, I saw the skeleton of a cow here and there, everywhere. I got scared of the tiger, presence of the tiger. But then I saw 2 horses. I was like, okay, if they are grazing over here, it means for the moment it's fine. They wouldn't have been doing the grass eating over here if he would have been here. But I'm scared of the tiger. Yoo-hoo! Saralsar Lake Forest Department says I'm left with 1 kilometer to go. Voila, baby, run. Here used to be a dhaba, now it's no more here. Haha, I'm so happy because I've already seen the lake before. So I am so damn dying to see that overall again. So that is where I have reached. Here used to be a lot of coffee shops, Maggie points. All are gone. So from this path straight we see the lake, and there's a temple, small one. From these stairs we go down to the amazing lake. The lake is crystal clear, and I'll tell you some fact about this lake over here. And finally we reach 0 kilometers, Saralsar Lake. Over there are some human beings doing human activity, and then over there I guess there is a temple. Yes, it is there. Yeah, that is there. That is the Saralsar Lake. I'll go there. From here I'll go. So there is this kind of mug and that kind of vessel you can use for taking a bath, and you can read all of this so that you know you're not supposed to go in shoes towards the lake, because this is very religious lake and we cannot hurt the sentiments of people, even if we are not belonging to the following religion, no matter which religion it is. I am going to go towards the lake and say namaskar to the nature, and finally I am very close to the lake. And there is one myth, I don't know myth if it is myth or true, but I see it true as well. They say that there is a special kind of sparrow that lives over here, and if you throw some leaf over here, she'll come and pick it up, the leaf or anything, dirt piece, if she'll see, then she cleans the lake. तो वो लोग कहते हैं कि इधर अगर लेक पे कुछ गिर जाए तो एक चिड़िया है इधर जो इन पहाड़ों में रहती है, इन ट्रीज में रहती है, she'll come and she'll pick the leaf या anything if it falls into the lake. So this is crystal clean water, and this is a bridge that goes up until that place. I'll go a little bit forward, not much, because I don't want to hurt myself with the joints, but the water is very clean. Mountains are covered with some yellow flowers, and I'll go up and see what is there. Little bit of trekking, not much. There are crazy stones, and something else is also here. This is again some animal horn, I see. Another place, I can see something over there. There must have been some bathroom over there, some place to stay, collection of water, maybe rain or snow, and very nice killer view, Jalori Pass. And so I'll tell you a little about the temple later. First I need to go and eat something, and then talk to some people over there, and then I go back, then read something about the temple. Last time when I was here, I couldn't visit the temple. I just did the prayer over there and I just left, and I couldn't do a full circle of the lake. See, the fog is literally falling on the lake. It covers basically, last time also it covered the whole lake. It's literally falling. It's beautiful. It's magnificent. This is nature, pure blessing of the God. So this is the place. There are many places like this. Something kind of hippie is over here. Bob Marley, of course, he's there. That guy has left Bob Marley, his nicest imprints in India, especially. After Kasol, there are many other places where we can find his photos. He's there. Aram farma raha hai. And over here I just ordered my cup of coffee, and I'll have some momos, and after that I'll have something to eat like rice and something, cereals. Nice view by the back, and after taking rest of around 25 minutes or 30, something like that, I'll move from here. This is for the moment. I'm gonna show you some literally magic of nature, really magic of nature. This tree fell off, and you see on that stone, new baby trees have grown up. You see them? Putu, 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 putu. And on that tree as well, without branches, some new fellows are coming out. Here as well, here. You know, if you don't believe in miracles, start believing in miracles. Miracles start to happen with you if you start believing in them. Tell you to nature that I believe in you, and things will literally start happening with you the way you want, the way you dream of. Think positive, give nature a vibe, tell the universe that you want this thing, that thing will come to you. I am at peace. You should be at peace too, no matter what is happening in your life. I want to show you something. Sorry, I got tired. I did the trek just right now, and I've reached at a point where I'm seeing something. See, That is the bone of some cow. This is the outer flesh of the cow. This is one leg. That is the head. Those are the legs. Some animal just ate it literally. Like, if we walk from here, then backbone, horns and hoofs. These are the hoofs, horns of the cow. This was the scariest part for me because I couldn't hear any human sounds. And there used to be a cafe up over there. Now it's no more. So it's kind of scary because some Bagheera comes here, maybe because it's forest. And then they say they always come out in the night. And then there are some, what do you call them? Bears. They also come out. They normally come out in the night time, but I feel like they come out in winter. They must be hibernating. Anyways, this was kind of like very scary for me. For a moment I was like, what to say, what to do? I can't see anybody. I was blindly walking and I could see a very teeny weeny wild fruit and I was ignoring it. And then eventually, I don't know what came into my mind. I was like, I'll break it and I'll taste it. I shouldn't just die of it. So what happened? I literally broke one. I'm gonna give you a demo now. Little one hiding over here. See, this is one and I have 4 more. And I'm gonna enjoy my strawberry lit tour. And there is many more. I was not joking. They really exist over here. My strawberry fell. They're seriously strawberries. For a simple photo, you know, anyone, even if it is me, would love to go high up, sit over there and take a very nice picture in a greenery with flowers and everything. Colorful flowers. Red, pink, yellow, white, blue. 5 color flowers plus the wild strawberry. Who wouldn't go up over there and take a picture? See? I hope you can see them. So I don't know, पता नहीं लोग कहाँ से जिगरा लाते हैं, पैसे ही पानी की बोतल फेंक देनी, you know, throw their dirt and dust and everything. How do they do it? मेरे में जिगरा नहीं है. I am a nature premi. I love myself. I am praising myself over here. And the route is really very scenic. I'm gonna show you. The route is really very scenic. And that is the bullshit I was talking about. Yaar, how could people do this, yaar, to nature? See, this is so romantic. So beautiful. See, a fungus is growing. The flowers I was talking to you about. The trees. This is magnificent. It took me 1.5 hours to reach the temple. And it's taking me another 1.5 hours to reach back to my car. So yeah, 5 kilometers up, 5 kilometers down. Simple trek, no mussy fussy. Was easy peasy. Jibi Jalori Pass trek with beautiful nature in this greenery full desert for the eyes. This was my perfect nature trail. I'm gonna show you 2 things. See this tree. This tree has dark brown kind of fungus, which is mushroom actually. And then the other tree that is having light brown kind of mushroom. And then the branches directly getting out of the tree. This was my perfect nature trail. No specific amount of tourists. And no superheat, no humidity. No people to see, very less people, only 10 people I have seen in around 6 hours, 5-6 hours. Loved it. Amazing. You should try this. So Jalori Pass trek wasn't expecting this landslide in Shoja, so don't come in rains. Anytime anything can happen. Oh my goodness. From there it fell off. This truck is stuck, Scorpio. It's difficult to take it from here, that particular portion. So they are cleaning the stones from that place.